Hey guys, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an external video player in your favorite streaming application. Now you're going to see here on our TroyPoint Insider there's been some discussion regarding Streamio and lots of dead links, and Mikey, one of the leaders, has made the comment you should first try using a third-party video player, and maybe that will work because it has the necessary codecs to play the video file. Maybe those aren't dead links. The video player that you're using just doesn't have the proper codecs. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now, to do this, we're going to be using the free downloader application. I'm on my Android TV box. This will work on Amazon Fire TV devices as well. You can install the free downloader app through Google Play Store or Amazon App Store. Make sure you're getting Downloader by AFTV News. There are some imposters out there. They will not work the same way. You need Downloader by AFTV News. And I will leave a link below this video to our setup tutorial for Downloader. So I'm going to launch Downloader, move up to the top. I'm going to hit the pound sign or number sign, and I'm going to type in 250931. Hit the check mark. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm looking for the heading called Video Players. Now, there's two popular video players that people use. The Just Video Player, that's very popular among TroyPoint insiders on our TroyPoint Insider website. If you want to become an insider, it's free, and I will provide a link below this video for that. So we have Just Player and then MX Player. Both of these work very similar. In this video, I will show how to set up Just Player. So I'm going to go ahead and click this here. Now, if this is the first time you're using Downloader, you're going to be prompted to turn on unknown apps for the Downloader application. Go ahead and do that, and then you will get an install screen. Okay, Just Player has been installed. I'm going to hit Done, delete the installation file. Now I'm going to go into a streaming application that supports third-party video players. Not all of them do, some of them do, and you can usually find information on that within the settings. So I'm going to launch Streamio. I'm going to go into Settings, Playback, and you're going to see Default Player. Now you're going to see here Just Player is not showing up in this list. Some applications it will show up, and you just go ahead and choose that as your default player. But for Streamio, for Just Player, I need to choose External Player. Okay, and now when I go to launch a movie or TV show, you're going to see I get this prompt here. So I want to choose Just Player, move down, and then choose Always. And then from here on out, it's always going to use the Just Player application as the default video player to play my media files. And hit the back button to get rid of that welcome screen, because with the remote control, it seems to be difficult to navigate with that unless you have a mouse toggle. So I'm going to go back into the video I was trying to play, and the movie begins to play. Click the OK button on the remote, and then you have these options down here. You have a gear icon for settings, and you also have your subtitle options right here. So that's a quick tip to try if you encounter any types of playback errors or problems when using these free streaming apps, or maybe even buffering. You can give this a shot. Now, Streamio is the #1 ranked free streaming application right now, and you can get my free Ultimate Streamio Setup video, which will walk you through how to install the very best add-ons with a few clicks. To get this free video, simply click the link below this video, or scan this QR code with the camera app on your phone or tablet, input your email address, and the video will be delivered to your inbox immediately. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button if this helped. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more tutorials like this in the future. As always, have an awesome day. Thanks for following Troy Point, and stream on.